Hi everybody, today I'll be performing unboxing and initial review of the ASUS VivoBook S14 S430UA. This is a 14-inch model which was launched in November 2018. So let's get to it. If you look at the box here, it has a very clean pack appearance. It just has the ASUS branding along with VivoBook. We look on the right side of the box, it has some barcodes related to model number and serial number. ASUS seal on the top and nothing on the other side of this box. The bottom is where the specifications are located. So let's bring that into view and I'll pause a bit for those of you that really like looking at the specification. So device color is iCycle Gold and comes with 14-inch Full HD screen, i5 8250U processor, hard disk drive of 1TB coupled with 256GB of SATA SSD, 8GB of RAM which is clocked at 2400 MHz and comes preloaded with Windows 10 Home. Let's go ahead and remove the cover and see what is included inside. Okay, here is the device. Let's go and pick it out for a moment and let's see what ASUS includes in the box. So here are some paperworks, user and a quick start guide. All the regular stuff like getting started, safety notices and services and support. Let's see what else is included. Here is the charging brick. It has some ASUS branding on it as well. Very clean appearance, very clean looking. There you go. The other side, it has the power cord. That's it. There is nothing else in the box. Okay, let's go and take off the cover so we can get a good look at the device. Okay, here we go. Here is the device. You'll see on the front of it again a very clean type appearance. Only has the ASUS branding. Slightly reflective there in the light. If we turn it around, we can see the speaker grills, and here is the Windows hologram mark. That's it, nothing more of importance. So for size reference, for those of you that are wondering how this compares to a MacBook Pro, I have got a MacBook Pro 13-inch edition here, and let's go ahead and put these together and see what the size comparison is. So if I hold these together, we will see that ASUS VivoBook is slightly longer, but that's expected as it has the 14-inch screen versus the 13-inch screen on the MacBook Pro. We look at all other sides, all the dimensions are very similar. As far as how thick the device is, if you hold them together, you'll see that ASUS is slightly thicker than the MacBook Pro, but the difference is not much. Let's go ahead and open the lid here and let's see how the keys are laid out. So here is sort of an up-close look at the key layout. Gives you an idea of how far apart the keys are spaced. Here is the power button up here, upper right hand corner. There's a fingerprint sensor and they have mentioned few features like thin and light, NanoEdge display and ergo lift hinge, as you can see, and also a Core i5 8th Gen logo on the front. Let's go and close the device here and let's see the ports available on it. On the right side of the device there is a headphone jack, USB 3.1 Type-C port, HDMI, USB 3.1 port and power input port. And on the left side we have two USB 2.0 port and micro SD card slot. Let's start the device and check out the boot time. We have already done the initial setup. The Windows is loaded and the 256 GB SSD, which helps to boot up in no time. So here we go. It took only 8 seconds to boot up. That is pretty much what I wanted to show and demonstrate in my unboxing and initial first impressions. I can tell you that the device does feel very good in hand. It's very light, I can hold it from the corner, and it's very easy to carry. It's only 1.4 kg. I will definitely talk about pros and cons of the device in my upcoming full review. For more specs details, check out the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next.